Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. So welcome back to our science class. So we're still in chapter 3, nutrition. In the villus, we have many blood capillaries. The function of this blood vessel in the small intestine is to transport nutrient to all parts of the body. Function dia untuk mengangkut nutrien ke seluruh badan manusia. Characteristic of the small intestine. Kenapa folded? Kenapa dia sangat nipis? And then kenapa they have a lot of blood capillaries? So to increase the surface area and to increase the absorption rate of product of digestion. And then the wall of villus is very thin to increase the rate of absorption. And then function of blood vessel in the small intestine is to transport nutrient to all parts of the body. Now we look at the assimilation process. What is assimilation? Assimilation is a process of distributing the end product of digestion for the use of the body cell. So food that is digested and absorbed into the villus need to reach the cell of the body. The molecule that are absorbed into the villus will undergo assimilation. Jadi makanan tadi, digested food yang masuk melalui villus tadi, kemudian akan melalui assimilation process. What is assimilation process? Assimilation process is a distributing the end product of the digestion to the use for the body cell. For example, end product of the digestion tadi for carbohydrate, last kali kita akan dapat glucose. So function of glucose is to produce energy. And then we have amino acid. Amino acid is to form component of cell. Glycerol and fatty acid. The function is to form fat as heat insulator and protect internal organ. So all these three systems below work together to ensure the digested food molecule reach the cell of the body. Untuk memastikan badan kita dapat semua digested food nutrient yang diperlukan oleh badan kita. So, ini dia punya proses tadi. Start from digestive system. Kita dah digest. It break down large molecule into complex particles of food into small and simple molecules so that they can be absorbed into the villi. So, bila molekul tu dah jadi kecil, dah diserap oleh villi, and then villi, bila dah masuk dalam villi, dia akan pergi ke blood capillary system. So, dia akan transport small and simple molecule to the cell of the body. So, nutrient-nutrient tadi akan didistribute to all of our body. So, that process, we call it assimilation. So, the end product are distributed for formation of new cell, for respiration and for regulation of body temperature. Dia tengoklah macam function tadi, glucose to produce energy, amino acid to form component of cell, fatty acid and glycerol to combine to form fat, which is used as heat insulator and to protect internal organ. So, ini dia punya function. End product are distributed to our body, to the formation of new cell, respiration and regulation of body temperature. So, ini function amino acid tadi. Respiration ni from the glucose. Regulation of body temperature is from the fat. Ini adalah assimilation process. Okay, last one. Defecation. Defecation. What is defecation? Last subtopic is defecation. So, makanan-makanan yang tak dicernakan tadi akan pergi ke large intestine. So, the undigested food that is not absorbed by the small intestine, such as fiber, waste secretion of the digestive tract, dead cell and water will move into the large intestine. So, while moving through the large intestine, water and mineral are reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Maksudnya makanan yang tak dicernakan tadi daripada small intestine, makanan-makanan yang tak dicernakan akan masuk ke large intestine. Semasa makanan tadi undigested tu bergerak dalam large intestine, the water and nutrient will be reabsorbed into the large intestine. So this make the unabsorbed and undigested food to become solid waste called feces. Jadi makanan yang tak dicernakan, the undigested food, tadi akan menjadi feces. Dia jadi dalam bentuk solid, dalam bentuk pepejal, and we call it as feces. What is feces? Feces is the najis. So makanan tadi akan jadi dalam bentuk solid, and we call it feces. And then the feces will be temporarily stored in the rectum. The function of rectum is stored feces, and then it will be expelled from our body through the anus. So defecation is a process elimination of feces from the body. Apa maksud dia? Najis tadi akan keluar daripada badan kita melalui anus. Jadi that process we call it defecation. So defecation is a process elimination of feces from the body. Okay, so I think we have finished chapter 3. So I hope you all understand. So any question you can ask me personally, or you can ask in our group class. So I think that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.